Hi guys! Today I'm going to be opening up some items from the Erin Condren Sanrio collaboration. And I want to give a big thank you to Erin Condren who provided me with all of these items for free to review. So this is my first time trying out any Erin Condren products, and Erin Condren picked these items out for me. I did not choose them, but I'm really excited to check out what they have. I love Sanrio, so I'm so excited about this collaboration. So the first item I have is this pencil case, and I love the peach color. This is a neoprene pencil case, and on the back it has the Erin Condren logo. And then if you open it up, it has two spots for pencils, and it's black inside, and it has this silver glittery pencil loop kind of holder thing. And it's really spacious. You can put in scissors and washi tapes and other things to decorate your planner with. So I think this is really adorable. This kind of reminds me of like one of the We Heat Lab pencil cases, which has 2 layers for pencils, and it's really deep, and I think this is really cute. I'm definitely going to be using this to hold my pencils and my other stationery items. You can never have enough pencil cases. So the next item is really simple but also really cute. It's this sticky note cube which has this ombre Hello Kitty design on the side. I think this is really pretty. This is super adorable, but it doesn't cross that line where it's just too cute to use. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I get a new stationery product, I can't bring myself to use it because it's so adorable. But this one is adorable, but because it's plain on the top, I don't have any qualms about using it, and this has actually been super useful. So here is another really cute notepad, and this is actually an insert. It's going to go inside of this pad folio. Okay, this is my absolute favorite item in this entire set. So this notepad makes me feel like I should be a Sanrio executive. It feels so luxurious. It has this gorgeous rose gold, maybe bronze color to it, and I don't know if this is made out of real leather. I would probably say not, but I don't know. And it comes with these 3 notepads. So there are 2 rectangular notepads with a Hello Kitty face on it, and then in the middle there is this adorable weekly planner, and you just slip the notepads into the pad folio right here, and then you can use the weekly planner to plan out your week, or what I think I'm going to use this for is for meal planning. I think this is so perfect. And then on the side you can make a grocery list or whatever lists you need to make. The paper on this I think is really thick and nice, so your pen's not going to bleed through to the next level. And oh my gosh, this is just so gorgeous. This is my absolute favorite item in this whole set. It's just so pretty and so classy, and it's one of those things that I almost hesitate to use, but I'm gonna use this because I really love it. The only thing is, once I've used up all the paper, I'm kind of wondering where I'm gonna get refills. I hope that Erin Condren continues to stock this line. So what do you guys think of this? Have you heard of Erin Condren before? If you have, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you think. So the next item is this set of dual tip markers, and the ones that I got come in orchid, seafoam, and charcoal. And this is the perfect marker set for me because I love light purple and mint green. I think it's such a gorgeous combination. And it comes in this hard plastic case, but I think I'm gonna actually end up putting this into that neoprene pencil case that they gave me. And these are dual tip markers, so they have one fine tip and one medium tip. The only feedback I would have on these pens is that they don't have any actual Hello Kitty print on the markers themselves. It just has a kind of leaf or floral design. But I'm just going to do a little demo for you guys. This is the orchid color, and let's do the medium tip. I think I'm going to end up using the medium tip a lot more than the fine tip. And I was a little surprised by the seafoam. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be, but it's still a pretty color. Probably good for highlighting or underlining, but not necessarily writing things. So this next item is probably the centerpiece of this whole collection, and this is a planner. And I was talking to my sister about this collaboration, and she's familiar with Erin Condren. Apparently this is really popular among teachers, so if you're a teacher, leave a comment and let me know if you use this planner. But it's supposed to be like the Rolls-Royce of planners for teachers. It's super fancy, and so I feel super honored to get my hands on one of these. The inner cover is kind of laminated, so I think you can use a dry erase marker on that. And it comes with this little welcome card. I think that must be Erin Condren on the front. So there are just some little freebies like these pretty inspirational cards and stickers, and then it has this metallic finish to it, and then on the back you can write a little note, so that will be nice to give to somebody in a gift or something. And then there are a couple of stickers. These are really pretty, and I like how they have the metallic finish on them. So the first page is this fancy vellum sheet of paper, and then it has this rainbow interior with some inspirational quotes on it. And then there's an annual calendar here, and then there are some spaces to, I guess, write maybe your New Year's resolutions or goals that you want to achieve. And then there's monthly calendars. There's like a whole month view, and then after that you have space for some lists, and then there's a weekly planner in a vertical layout. And then with every month there's like a different quote and a different color, and every month has pretty much the same layout. And then in the back there are some blank notebook pages, and then a spot where you can put down a few addresses or phone numbers, and another monthly planner. And then there's all these gorgeous stickers. I love the lettering on these stickers, especially the birthday stickers. I thought that those were so pretty. So this is such a nice addition to the planner, I think, to have those stickers. And in the back there's this little pocket folder, and then it comes with this little book where you can put everyone's birthday, and it's just laid out by month with all the numbers in there. So I think this is just a great thing to keep year after year to remember birthdays. And it has the holidays and important dates for this particular year, and a place for you to put some contacts. And then the back cover is also something that you could use a dry erase marker on. And then it comes with this bookmark, which is removable, and you can just stick it inside of the planner on the week that you're on to mark the page. So I think that this is a really nice planner. It just has pretty much everything that you would need in it. It is really heavy and thick though, so I'm glad that I don't have to commute or take this somewhere. I can just leave it on my desk at home. It also has these lovely colorful dividers on the side, so it's really easy to see where you are and to plan ahead. And I think my favorite part is this gorgeous Hello Kitty cover. So cute. So Erin Condren also sent me this journal. It says, "Be kind, be nice, repeat." And this is a daily kindness and joy journal. And it says you can practice daily kindness and joy with a special Hello Kitty prompted journal. And I love the colors on this. I love the metallic finish on the back. And then on the inner cover, it has the same rainbow Hello Kitty design, but without the metallic finish. I think that's actually really pretty too. So this is a new style of journal for me. I've never heard of a kindness and joy journal before. I did do the 5-minute journal, which is a gratitude journal, and I did it through an app on my phone because it was just easier for me to remember to do than the paper version. But I think this one is really cute because it has these little prompts inside to get you thinking about kindness and joy, and to have you reflect on what happened during the day and think about what you can do in the future. And I think it's a great way to record happy moments in your life. And the thing that I really like about this notebook is how it has little illustrations with the Hello Kitty picture throughout the journal. And that's something that I noticed that was kind of missing in the planner. So I wish the planner would have had more Hello Kitty pages inside as opposed to just the regular planner pages. But I love the rainbow design on this. I think it's so pretty. And I can't decide if I like this cover better or the regular planner better. I think they're both gorgeous. So next up we have these ultra fancy file folders. I don't think I've ever seen such fancy file folders before in my life. They're so gorgeous, and they have this metallic finish to them. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for yet. They're almost too pretty to put in your file cabinet because you want to show the Hello Kitty design on the front. Unfortunately, a couple of my folders got bent at the top, as you can see, but the purple ones managed to stay intact. Anyway, I'm really grateful to Erin Condren for sending me these items for free to review. If you guys are into this, then I have links in the description box for all of these products. And keep in mind that these are affiliate links, so I will earn from any qualifying purchases. And as always, I want to say thank you to my Patreons and channel members for supporting me. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your support. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.